In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and copy your IBAN in Wise. Wise, formerly known as TransferWise, is a fantastic tool for managing your finances, making international payments, and handling multiple currencies. If you've ever wondered how to access your account details, specifically your IBAN, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in. First, open your Wise application or visit the Wise website on your computer. Before going any further, make sure to log into your account. This step is crucial because accessing your account details, including your IBAN, requires you to be securely logged in. Once you've signed in, take a moment to ensure that your connection is secure and that you're accessing via a private or trusted network to keep your financial information safe. Next, direct your attention to the main navigation menu. You'll want to locate and click on the Payments section. It's typically featured prominently in the dashboard because Wise is centered around making your monetary transactions as smooth and efficient as possible. Once you've clicked on Payments, you'll be taken to a new section of the site or app where you can manage all of your payment-related activities. Scroll down on the Payments page, keep an eye out for the option labeled Account Details. This area is your one-stop shop for everything related to your Wise account numbers, including various currencies and their respective banking details. Clicking here will allow you access to the detailed view of your account's monetary layout. This is where the magic happens. Upon entering the Account Details section, you will find a comprehensive display of all your account details. Your IBAN, which stands for International Bank Account Number, is prominently featured here. This is the unique identifier you'll need for making or receiving international bank transfers. It's designed to make cross-border transactions easier and more accurate by minimizing errors. Once you've located your IBAN within the account details, you'll notice that Wise provides an option to copy it directly. Simply click on the Copy button next to it. This feature is incredibly useful, especially if you need to paste it into an email, a message, or a transaction form without making any typographical errors. A lifesaver for ensuring accuracy in financial details. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully accessed and copied your Wise IBAN, equipping you to manage your finances with confidence and ease. Remember, keeping your banking details safe and secure is important, so always ensure you're using a secure network when accessing financial information. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on managing your Wise account and other financial tools. Have a great day managing your finances.